So much. Palakpakan naman dyan, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And of course, to Synergy, may you continue to build the bridges across oceans and of course, create a legacy of unity. Thank you so much, Synergy. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, and see you again
so much,
next time. Next time, Ma'am Tina will be here to call you, to coordinate when will be the next Synergy Family Night. Okay.
Yes, thank you so much. And of course,
okay, so
if you extend, you can extend.
Okay. Okay, so extend daw tayo, okay? For those who want to stay, okay. Thank you, Ma'am Bibi, okay.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Bibi. So that's it. If we want to extend, we can actually extend. We can continue to have party as one Synergy family. Thank you so much. And so at this point, ano po yun, sir? Disco party, ladies and gentlemen.
Those who wants to sing to jam, okay, so the floor is yours.